Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at whether or not you can claim for being involved in a road traffic accident whilst travelling abroad. If you are able to claim, I'm going to go through a couple of steps that you can take to help strengthen your claim, along with providing you information on how you can go about speaking to someone from a law firm without having to pay a single penny. There are numerous reasons that you could be driving abroad, but just like here at home, there is always the chance that you may be involved in a road traffic accident. If you have been involved in such an accident, you may have assumed that bringing a claim for compensation would be too complex to even consider. But thanks to the help provided by foreign accident claims specialists like legalexpert.co.uk, the process will hopefully be a lot more straightforward than you may have feared. In a nutshell, if you've been involved in an accident abroad that wasn't your fault, the good news is that yes, you may be able to bring a claim for compensation. It's important that you take into account where the accident had occurred. If the accident happens in the EU, European directives mean that the European insurer will appoint a UK-based agent and your claim will be dealt with by them. If court proceedings are required, the good news is that these can be issued in an English or Welsh court, with the proceedings being governed by English or Welsh law. If, however, the accident didn't occur in the EU, then the situation is slightly more complex. But generally, if you've instructed a competent law firm to deal with your claim, then they should be able to help victims in these circumstances obtain all of the compensation that they're entitled to. Because this is a niche area of law, we highly recommend that you speak to a law firm that has experience in dealing with claims of this nature. And I'll shortly be explaining how you can do just that. But first, I'm going to go over a couple of things that you can do in order to help strengthen your claim. If possible, you should take photos of the vehicles involved. This will help even if there is a language barrier that stops you from getting any necessary details. Please remember that in a lot of foreign countries, a lot of lorries and trucks have different registration numbers at the front than the back. If in doubt, take photos of both. You should ask to see the registration and insurance documents of any other drivers involved in the accident. Many foreign countries require drivers to have the documents in their vehicles. Try and get the fault driver's name and address. There are a number of smartphone apps which can help translate each other's languages both ways. If possible, try to get the contact details of any witnesses to the accident. Make a note of the road name, intersection number or marker where the accident occurred. If you're in a hire vehicle, report the accident to the hire company. They're likely to assist you in regards to what you need to obtain from the fault driver. Now, as promised, I'm going to go into how you can speak to someone from a law firm completely free of charge in order to see whether or not you have a case with merits. You can contact legalexpert.co.uk 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll do our best to help you establish what we believe your best course of action is. And after this consultation, if we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a successful claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. That means that you don't have to worry about paying any upfront fees. And if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same. And whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are road traffic accident claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.